Hey there, fellow explorers. Rome is a city where every corner whispers tales of ancient glory and stunning beauty. Ready to uncover some of the most amazing places in Rome that you simply can't miss? Let's dive in. Ciao, travelers. Welcome back to Pack Our Bag channel, your go-to spot for discovering the world's most incredible destinations. If you're passionate about exploring hidden gems and iconic landmarks, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Now let's explore Rome's top wonders. First up, the Roman Forum. Ever wondered what life was like in the heart of ancient Rome? Established around the 7th century BC, the Roman Forum was the bustling center of political, commercial, and social activity. Story and history. Imagine walking through vibrant marketplaces, witnessing grand public speeches, and observing the daily lives of Romans. The Forum was the stage for significant events, from Julius Caesar's influential addresses to the bustling trade that fueled the empire's economy. Structures like the Arch of Titus commemorate Rome's victories, while the Temple of Saturn stands as a testament to the gods revered by the ancient Romans. Each ruin tells a story of power, faith, and community, making the Roman Forum a living history book you can explore today. Next, the Colosseum, an iconic symbol of ancient Rome. This massive amphitheater was completed in AD 80 and once hosted gladiator battles and grand spectacles. Story and history. Picture the roar of thousands of spectators cheering as gladiators fought for glory. The Colosseum was not just a venue for entertainment, but also a display of Rome's architectural ingenuity and societal values. Beyond the battles, it hosted mock sea battles and public executions, reflecting the complex nature of Roman society. Ticket reservation. Tip: today, the Colosseum attracts millions of visitors annually. To ensure you experience it without the hassle, reserve your tickets in advance. Skip the long lines and book a guided tour to gain deeper insights into its fascinating history and hidden secrets. Next, Castel Sant'Angelo. This towering cylindrical building has quite the history. Constructed between AD 123 and 139 by Emperor Hadrian as his mausoleum, Castel Sant'Angelo has transformed over the centuries into a fortress, papal residence, and now a fascinating museum. Situated along the Tiber River, it played a crucial role in Rome's defenses during various sieges. The Passetto di Borgo, an elevated corridor connecting the Castel to the Vatican, was famously used by Pope Clement VII during the sack of Rome in 1527 to escape into the safety of the Vatican. Today, Castel Sant'Angelo houses impressive art collections and offers panoramic views of Rome that are absolutely breathtaking. Whether you're exploring its opulent rooms or enjoying a leisurely walk along the Tiber River, Castel Sant'Angelo is a captivating blend of history and beauty. Next, the Pantheon. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer brilliance of the Pantheon. Rebuilt in AD 126, originally as a temple for all Roman gods, its massive dome and oculus are architectural marvels that have stood the test of time. The Pantheon was a place where Romans worshipped their deities, a center of religious life that reflected the empire's spiritual beliefs. Its transformation into a Christian church in the 7th century preserved its structure, allowing it to endure through the ages. As you step inside, the interplay of light through the oculus creates a mesmerizing effect, symbolizing the connection between the heavens and earth. It's a perfect spot to soak in the grandeur and contemplate the legacy of Rome's architectural and cultural achievements. Visit early in the morning to enjoy a peaceful stroll without the crowds. Next, Piazza Navona. Immerse yourself in the artistic charm of Piazza Navona. Originally developed in the 1st century BC on the site of Domitian's Stadium, it took its current Baroque form in the 17th century. The piazza has been a hub of activity for centuries, hosting everything from chariot races to vibrant street performances. The Fountain of the Four Rivers by Bernini symbolizes the four major rivers of the known continents, showcasing Rome's global influence. Surrounded by elegant buildings, lively cafes, and charming street artists, Piazza Navona is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the vibrant culture of Rome. Whether you're sipping an espresso, admiring the architecture, or watching a live performance, this piazza offers a delightful blend of beauty and entertainment. Don't miss the Church of Sant'Agnese in Agone, another Bernini masterpiece, adding to the artistic allure of the area. The piazza's lively ambiance makes it a favorite spot for both locals and tourists alike. Next, the Spanish Steps. Immerse yourself in the vibrant heart of Rome at the Spanish Steps. Built between 1723 and 1725, these famous steps connect the Piazza di Spagna with the Trinità dei Monti Church, creating a lively gathering spot for locals and tourists alike. The Spanish Steps were designed by Francesco de Sanctis to link the Spanish embassy to the church at the top, reflecting Rome's international connections during the 18th century. The name Spanish Steps originates from the Spanish embassy located at the base of the steps, symbolizing the enduring cultural ties between Spain and Italy. The area is perfect for a leisurely stroll, people watching, or enjoying a gelato from a nearby cafe. In spring, the steps are adorned with colorful azaleas, adding a splash of color to your visit. Whether you're snapping photos or simply soaking in the lively atmosphere, the Spanish Steps are a must-visit landmark. Nearby, explore the Keats Shelley Memorial House for a touch of literary history. The Spanish Steps continue to be a central point for social gatherings, artistic expression, and cultural exchange in Rome. Next, the Trevi Fountain. No visit to Rome is complete without making a wish at the Trevi Fountain. Built between 1732 and 1762, this stunning Baroque masterpiece is not only a feast for the eyes, but also steeped in legends. Tradition has it that tossing a coin into the fountain ensures a return trip to Rome. The fountain's name, Trevi, is derived from the Tre Vie, or three streets that converge at the site, symbolizing the meeting point of different paths and stories. Designed by Nicola Salvi and completed by Giuseppe Panini, the Trevi Fountain represents Oceanus, the god of water, standing amidst tritons and seahorses. The intricate sculptures and cascading water create a magical atmosphere, especially at night when the fountain is beautifully illuminated. Don't miss the chance to capture the perfect photo and partake in this enchanting ritual. Visit early in the morning or late at night to avoid the largest crowds and experience the fountain's beauty in a more tranquil setting. Finally, Vatican City. Let's wrap up our journey with the spiritual and cultural heart of Rome, Vatican City. Established as an independent state in 1929, Vatican City is not only the smallest country in the world, but also a treasure trove of art, history, and faith. Vatican City houses the St. Peter's Basilica, rebuilt between 1506 and 1626, which stands as a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture and a symbol of the Roman Catholic Church's enduring legacy. The Sistine Chapel, with Michelangelo's breathtaking ceiling frescoes, is another highlight that draws millions of visitors each year. One of the fascinating artifacts in Vatican City is the obelisk from Egypt, originally erected by Emperor Augustus, and now standing proudly in St. Peter's Square, symbolizing the connection between ancient civilizations and modern Rome. Explore the vast Vatican museums, marvel at the intricate mosaics, and stand in awe beneath the Sistine Chapel's stunning frescoes. Emphasis on St. Peter's Basilica. The Basilica is a spiritual sanctuary and an architectural marvel with its grand dome and ornate interior. Take your time to appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship that went into its creation. Book your Vatican Museum's tickets in advance to skip the lines and maximize your visit. Consider a guided tour to gain deeper insights into the art and history housed within. And that brings us to the end of our incredible tour through Rome's timeless wonders. And there you have it, the wonder places in Rome that should be on every traveler's bucket list. From the ancient ruins of the Roman Forum to the spiritual magnificence of Vatican City, Rome truly offers a blend of history, art, and vibrant culture. Which one captivated you the most? Or which place are you excited to explore? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through Rome's incredible landmarks, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy travels. Until next time, stay curious, pack our bags, and keep exploring.